Hello everyone to Tech with Adam. Today we're gonna talk about what to do when you are just created your Gmail account. There's a few things to do, like if you wanna just like edit your name, your photo, or just to edit your privacy information or your security options. So first things to do is just go to google.com. You can do this on your PC or just on your phone with any Google app. Like you can do it with YouTube, you can do it with Google, you can do it with any Google app. So you go sign in with your Gmail and your password. You click on the icon here, manage your Google account. Click it. So this is the back end of your Gmail account. Here on the left side you can edit like your personal information, your data and privacy, your security, your payments and subscriptions, everything. So you go to your personal information. Here you can edit your name, birthday, your photo. Just click on your photo, add profile picture. If you wanna upload it from your PC or your mobile, just upload from here. And you can edit your name. You can even add a nickname here, and of course you can edit your privacy. So, and you can edit your password here. So this is your personal information. It's up to you what to add, what to not to add. It's up to you. So the second thing to do is go to your privacy, and here you can turn on or off your history, your web and app activity, the search history and whatnot, or your location history or your YouTube history. By default it's on, but I prefer just to turn it off. I prefer it that way. It's up to you. And here you can edit everything about your ads. Here, your personalized ads. So, and you can delete your Google account or just like a Google service, like your Google, Gmail, for example. And apps and services. Here you're gonna find the apps you are using with your Gmail account, like the third-party apps. Here you go to security, and here you're gonna review your last sign-in to make sure there's no one prying on you. And here is the most important aspect of this tutorial, to turn on your two-factor authentication. So if you want a tutorial on how to do it, just let me know. Here to add your recovery email, and I always recommend to add a recovery email, a recovery phone and a recovery email. It's very important. And here you're sign in with other sites. You can read it, you can know what is it. So this is the most important things to do when you are just created or just like your normal Gmail account. It's good to always check your settings, your security settings, your privacy settings, and your personal information. It's really important not to just let it be. So thank you guys, and if you have anything, just let me know.